Up in the morning and out to school. The teacher is teaching the golden rule. American history.
Okay, so they give us 1 over 1 minus x equals, oh wait, well, they tell us, so what we're supposed to do in this problem is use our knowledge of 1 over 1 minus x, which we've seen various times before, which the series expansion looks like this, right, and then continued on. And it's represented by this sum of x to the n, okay? And we're supposed to discover something about 1 minus x to the third. And this is, we're supposed to find something in the series form of that, so the series representation. So what we're going to do here is actually just use this information, right? And we're going to take the derivative, actually twice. So let's take the first derivative. So we have d dx of 1 over 1 minus x, and that's going to equal, this actually equals negative 1 from the power, right? Well, okay, I'll rewrite it real quick as this, because I like to do that. This is actually 1 minus x to the negative 1, right? So this is going to be, we're going to bring the negative 1 down in front, and then we have 1 minus x to the negative 2, and then chain rule gives us another negative 1. So what we have is 1 over 1 minus x squared, okay? And then on the right side, when we differentiate that, we're going to get from 0 to infinity, we're going to bring the n down in front and have an n minus 1 as the power there, okay? Alright, so this is going to be, so now we have a 1 over 1 minus x squared. Now we need to go one step further and differentiate one more time to get a third power, or to cubed on the bottom. So we're going to do d dx of 1 minus x to the negative 2. That was this one over here, right? So we're going to do that, and that'll give us negative 2 times 1 minus x to the negative 3 times the negative 1 from the inside, chain rule, right? So then we actually get a 2 over 1 minus x to the third. Okay, so what we actually need to do here is, we have this factor of 2 on top, so we'll bring that out and just kind of for simplicity rule, 1 minus x to the third. So this, everything in parentheses is what we're interested in. So yeah, anyways, so we're going to have this, and then we have, so this was the left side, right? And now we're going to differentiate this right side, I guess you could consider it. So the derivative of that is equal to the following. And then we have, we're going to bring the n minus 1 down. That's our power here. And then we subtract another one to get n minus 2 this time. So in this case, this is 1 over 1 minus x to the third, okay? So that's what's on the left, and this is what's on the right side. So to get the parentheses by itself, you just divide by 2 on both sides. So then we'll get, well, I'll write the final answer on the next slide so it looks nice. So we get that 1 over 1 minus x to the third is equal to 1/2 now, because we divided the 2 over, right? It's going to be the exact same thing that I wrote on the previous slide. N times n minus 1 times x to the, x to the n minus 2. And that is the series representation of this function, because we took the derivative twice in a row, right? Okay, and that does it for the homework video. I hope that helped, and again, good luck. I'll be talking to you on the final review videos if you watch them.
Rock, rock.